This is my Radical Firearms 300 Blackout build. It's a 16-inch barrel. The upper was ordered directly from Radical Firearms. It comes with their proprietary in-house made handguard. I started off with an Anderson 80% lower. I purchased the buffer tube, spring, and buffer from Joe Bob Outfitters. All parts were Milspec. The pistol grip is an Magpul MOE Plus, and the paint job obviously is done by me. I also purchased the Magpul CTR stock. I don't like the wobble, and this definitely takes care of it. Definitely a solid stock. I have it on a couple of my other AR builds. I purchased VG6 Gamma muzzle device. Lots of good reviews on this. Real excited to get it on there and see how it performs. Plus, it's really sharp looking. The machining and the workmanship was fantastic. This is a shot of the completed build minus camo. So far, it looks pretty good. That's the proprietary Radical Firearms in-house made handguard. The only thing I didn't like about that handguard is you can't put an end cap on it, so it stays open. Not real happy about that. One of the things I was a little upset about is the forward assist has a bunch of crap in it. It looks like something that came out of a parts bin. Might be something I need to discuss with them at a later date. Well, without any further ado, let's shoot. Let's check it out. You'll notice over these next couple shots how level the barrel stays with this muzzle device, and how it actually pushes the weapon back into your shoulder. This muzzle device is fantastic. The blast wasn't too bad. I was able to structure, and it wasn't bad at all. And the recoil is just amazing on this. I expected to feel a little more, being that it's 300 Blackout compared to my 5.56s, but there really wasn't much of anything to comment on as far as increased recoil, and the barrel really stayed level. I'm really digging this muzzle device. I'm running the Vortex Spark 2 on this platform right now. I'm going to see how that goes for a little while. I'm going to see if I can tune this up and get it zeroed in, see what kind of accuracy I can get between 50 and 200 meters. If that doesn't work out, or I'm not happy with what I'm getting out of it, I may transition to some type of a scope geared towards the 300 Blackout. But for right now, and the performance on this day was pretty good, so we'll just have to wait and see how it does. But so far, I liked it. Gonna go to the right. These next shots are with the Replay 1080 HD action camera mounted on the Picatinny rail. Definitely demonstrates the recoil of the platform with this muzzle device, but it also shows you a really good picture. It doesn't have zoom, but it sure does have really good picture quality. I really enjoy using this camera. It gives you another aspect, another decent view. It's pretty interesting to see how the weapon reacts with recoil and muzzle. I don't know what happened there. Weird flight on that one. Let's check it out again. There we go. There we go. That's me. Let's check it out. Let's get ourselves another one. Four to the right. Let's see what we get. Now, so far with this build, now keep in mind I only have 40 rounds through it, so that's not a lot of ammo to the weapon, but I'm just saying fit and finish. Radical Firearms, the finish was okay. Scale of 1 to 10, I give the finish maybe a high 6 or a 7. It was dull, there was some dings, there was a couple scratches. The forward assist looked like a used part. But as far as functionality and reliability, so far everything's been fantastic. Now I have ordered I want to say three of your up and coming companies that a lot of people are talking about now: Moss Defense, Radical Firearms, and Firearms. And fit and finish, I would have to put Moss Defense and Hardened Arms probably both at about a 9 to a 10. Radical Arms, their finish wasn't what I think it should have been for a new product. The fit was fantastic, but the finish left something to be desired. But as far as functionality, again, 40 rounds so far, but it's functioned pretty damn good so far. We'll have to wait and see after I put about 1,000 more rounds through it. We'll see how it goes. This was my initial zero grouping at 50 meters, and then I transitioned to 100 meters. This is my pinky as a reference, first digits about an inch, so this gives you an idea of what kind of group I have at 100 meters at the head portion of the target.